Instruction manual, I'm going to show you how to use this Chrome extension to basically share to an unlimited number of groups. So as you can see, I have all of my 49 groups that I'm in right now, AI groups, and I click select all groups, and then all of these groups will now be available inside the Chrome extension. So as you can see, they're all over here. Now I can choose which ones I do want to post in and the ones I don't want to post in. And then I can select a blurb to write, or I can select from my saved blurbs, and I can even create variants, AI variations of the text so that it won't be spammy in all these different groups. So I'm creating 20 variations. That's each one's going to be used twice because I'm posting in about 40 different groups. You can change them or you can cancel them and just use them. You can also add a prompt for the way it writes the variants if you don't like the way it's written. Also, you can add a default signature like your website at the bottom of each variant. Now you can choose the amount of time between each use, and then that's all. Now you're ready to click on share to selected groups, and when I click that, what you're about to see is magic. It will start sharing. Now if I look over here, you can see it's sharing to this group first, 1 out of 48, and then it's going to type the first blurb, which is the first one that was created by AI, and the next one will be different from this and won't start with the word forget. It will start with something else. So you can see it's already shared to this group, and now it's going to share to the next group. Let's just wait for that to happen, because remember we asked for a delay of 15 seconds. That's why it's taking a little bit longer to do the next one. So now we're on the second one, and it's going to choose the second group, which is the AI prompt group, and it's going to select that group and then post that content. And it's going to write the second blurb in the box. Fantastic. Now it's going to move on to the third one. All this requires of you, it's a free trial, and once you've used up your free trial, you can then use it unlimited on unlimited number of groups. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Just one more thing I have to say. If you click on the settings icon over here, you will need a Gemini API key just to create these variations. That's what it's used for. So please make a note of that. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.